and good day to everyone. In the previous video, I demonstrated on how to create a straight-through cable. So today, I'm gonna be demonstrating again to create another Ethernet cable known as crossover cable. A crossover cable is a type of cable installation that is used for the interconnection of two similar devices. It is enabled by reversing the transmission and receiving pins at both ends, so that output from one becomes input to the other and vice versa. And these are the tools that we need to create a crossover cable. An unshielded twisted pair, or also known as UTP cable, a modular connector, or also known as RJ45, a crimping tool, a network cable tester, and last, a wire stripper, or you can use scissors. First step is to strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inch from the end of the cable to remove the outer jacket. Second is to untwist the twisted pair wires all the way back to the jacket. Third, arrange the wires based on the wiring specifications we are following. So today, we are going to follow the crossover pattern. Crossover cable uses two different wiring standards. One end uses the T568A wiring standard, and the other end uses the T568B wiring standard. Four, align the wirings properly and push the remaining wires to the RJ45 head. Fifth, push the head into the open space of the crimping tool and squeeze it close, hard. So earlier, I already created the other end of the cable. So after we crimp the two connectors, let's test the cables if it works properly.